The chain stitch is one of the oldest and common stitches you would find across cultures. It is a great stitch for outlines and fillings. Begin from one end of your stitch line. Take your needle back in very close to where you came out from and come out ahead on the stitch line. Loop your thread under the needle and pull it out. You have created a single link in the chain. Now take your needle inside this link and come outside it on the stitch line. Loop the thread under the needle and pull out the needle to create the next link. Keeping the working thread already looped can help quicken the process. Throw the thread in a loop before taking the needle in and out. You then need to just pull out the needle. Continue this process for the entire stretch. This stitch can be worked in any direction. If you are a right-handed person, chances are that you will find working from the bottom to top much easier. I'm using the sewing method here, which I feel is much faster and easier to do than the stab method. I hope you liked this quick tutorial video. Let me know if you have. Thank you for watching.